Hello and welcome to the session. Principles of Operations Management LO3 apply the concept of continuous quality improvement in an operational context. Are you ready to delve into the principles of operations management? This video explores how continuous quality improvement shapes operational success. Discover key methodologies and approaches to enhance quality in your organization. Total Quality Management, or TQM, is a structured approach aimed at improving product and service quality. It integrates continuous feedback to refine processes. Key figures like Deming and Juran have significantly influenced TQM. Deming's Plan-Do-Check-Act cycle is central to continuous improvement. TQM is inherently linked with operations management for efficiency and effectiveness. Continuous improvement, or Kaizen, focuses on incremental betterment of processes. It emphasizes eliminating waste and enhancing quality. Lean thinking and the theory of constraints support this philosophy. These methodologies aim to streamline operations and boost efficiency. Continuous improvement aligns with strategic goals for competitive advantage. Quality assurance and total quality management are distinct yet often confused. TQM is holistic, involving everyone in the organization. QA focuses on procedural aspects within specific departments. TQM aims for continuous improvement, while QA ensures compliance with standards. Understanding their differences is crucial for effective quality management. Deming and Juran are key pioneers in quality management. Deming introduced statistical methods and systems thinking. His PDCA cycle is vital for continuous improvement. Juran emphasized managerial involvement and the quality trilogy. Their contributions laid the foundation for modern TQM practices. Various approaches support total quality management. Just-in-time focuses on inventory efficiency. Lean management aims to reduce waste. Quality circles engage employees in problem-solving. Statistical process control monitors process variability. These methods collectively enhance quality and operational performance. Just-in-time is an inventory management strategy. It reduces waste by delivering materials only when needed. JIT enhances quality by minimizing storage costs. It aligns with lean thinking principles. JIT improves process flexibility and customer responsiveness. Lean management focuses on eliminating waste and maximizing value. It aims to create customer value using fewer resources. Lean thinking and value stream mapping are key components. The approach enhances process efficiency and employee involvement. Lean management aligns with TQM for continuous improvement. Quality circles involve employees in quality decision-making. Small groups regularly meet to solve work-related problems. This enhances operational quality and employee satisfaction. Quality circles improve communication and skills development. They contribute to a culture of continuous improvement. Statistical process control monitors and controls process variability. It uses statistical tools to ensure consistent output. SPC aids in data-driven decision-making. It aligns with TQM's focus on reducing variability. SPC enhances customer satisfaction by ensuring quality standards. Process architecture designs and optimizes business processes. It ensures alignment with strategic goals. The approach focuses on process efficiency and resource optimization. Process architecture supports continuous improvement initiatives. It mitigates risks by identifying potential process failures. Information technologies support continuous quality improvement. IT facilitates data-driven decision-making and process automation. Software tools monitor processes and provide feedback. IT aligns operational activities with strategic quality objectives. It enhances knowledge management and organizational learning. Continuous quality improvement focuses on product and process quality. Product quality ensures compliance with standards and customer expectations. Process quality aims for efficient and effective operations. Both contribute to overall organizational success. CQI practices align with strategic quality goals. Diagnosing quality problems requires systematic approaches. Statistical process control is a critical technique. SPC monitors process behavior and identifies anomalies. It facilitates early interventions to prevent defects. SPC supports the Plan Do Check Act cycle in TQM. Quality variations arise from various factors. Common causes are inherent to the system. Special causes are due to irregular events. Statistical process control helps identify these variations. Understanding root causes is crucial for corrective actions. The Taguchi loss function quantifies the cost of quality deviations. It emphasizes minimizing variability from the target value. The function supports robust design and economic efficiency. It aligns with TQM principles for customer-centric quality management. Taguchi's approach guides systematic process improvements. Poka-yoke is a mistake-proofing technique. It prevents errors by designing processes to detect and correct mistakes early. The approach enhances quality and reliability. Poka-yoke aligns with TQM's focus on building quality into processes. It contributes to customer satisfaction and regulatory compliance. Six Sigma is a data-driven methodology for eliminating defects. It aims for near-zero defects in processes. Six Sigma uses DMIC and DMAD frameworks for improvements. The approach aligns with TQM and CQI principles. It enhances quality, reduces costs, and fosters a culture of improvement. Quality improvement is a cross-organizational activity. It integrates quality metrics into all business functions. This approach aligns with TQM and CQI frameworks. It fosters employee engagement and customer centricity. Cross-organizational quality efforts spur innovation and resource optimization. Quality improvement faces challenges like complex coordination. Communication mechanisms are essential to prevent silos. Change resistance can occur among employees. Resource allocation requires organization-wide commitment. Addressing these challenges is crucial for successful quality initiatives. In conclusion, applying the concept of continuous quality improvement in an operational context is essential for enhancing efficiency, consistency, and customer satisfaction. Continuous quality improvement focuses on regularly reviewing processes, identifying areas for improvement, and implementing incremental changes to enhance performance. By embedding a culture of quality and improvement, organizations can reduce waste, improve reliability, and respond effectively to changing customer needs. This approach supports long-term operational excellence and helps organizations maintain competitiveness in dynamic business environments. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 0748 4361 688.